Good morning. This is Michael Dong on episode number 9. Why is HPLC mobile phase filtration not needed? Scope: the benefits of filtering mobile phases. We were all taught from the early days that mobile phase filtration is absolutely required for many reasons. And it turned out that most lab analysts religiously filter mobile phase through these 0.45 membrane filters using an apparatus shown in this diagram with the vacuum filtration apparatus with vacuum pump with a solvent trap. The conventional wisdom told us that removing particulate uh, can help eliminate clogging of the column inlet frits and prolong column lifetime and protect the pump check valve and pistons. Second, it can also remove microbial growth in mobile phase A and particularly in buffers. Have you ever questioned if mobile phase filtration is really needed in pharmaceutical laboratory that's running very smoothly? Here I'd like to do some counter argument why mobile phase filtration is not required. Let's explore the reasons step by step. First of all, mobile phase B, which is organic solvents in reverse phase chromatography, is acetonitrile and methanol. In these cases, HPLC solvent grades are needed, are generally used, and they are pre-filtered by manufacturers. Second, mobile phase A is acidified water with TFA or formic acid or acetic acid. And because water from lab purification systems such as Q are pre-filtered, and also the very small amount of reagent grade acid is unlikely to cause issues. The strongest argument is actually on buffer because there are a substantial amount of buffer being used. Here I would propose that filtration is not needed if you purchase high purity buffer. For example, you buy from the Sigma Aldrich on this part number ammonium formate grade, 99.995% of it. Filtration would not be required and would be optional. Let's discuss further why foregoing filtration is possible in pharma QC laboratory with trained analysts. First, HPLC pump have built-in filters that eliminate particulates. Second, HPLC instrument in pharmaceutical laboratory, particularly in QC, have annual preventive maintenance when internal filters, pistons, and pump seals are replaced. Third, the most important are from personal testimony from myself and also from many QC chemists that filtration that have not performed filtration for many years, for decades, and really cannot show any evidence of any failures, premature failures between preventive maintenance. So all these filtration, we find it to be unnecessary, particularly if you have the opportunity to buy high purity buffers. Now, on that note, I'd like to propose that the analyst can always choose to do more, such as filtering or mobile phase. However, there's also a risk, which is possible, of mobile phase contamination or more ghost peaks from additional handling. So the easy button is always the preferred way if you can get away with it from some other operational nuances, such as buying a slightly more expensive buffers. Here are my references, chapter 7 of the book, a white paper 7 common fault part in HPLC, published in 2014, and also YouTube channel episode number 5 and 26. The end of episode number 9. Why is mobile phase filtration not truly needed? And how do you get away from it without problems? On that note, please consider subscribing for channels for future videos. See you next time.